Discuss the solution of fourth question. The fourth question is given the confusion matrix, find classification accuracy, precision, recall, type 1 error, type 2 error, F1 score, sensitivity, specificity. Explain the importance of precision recall as compared to accuracy with an example. The matrix is given here where we have two values that it predicted and actual. Here, TP stands for true positive value, model correctly predicts positive value. FP stands for false positive, that is, model incorrectly predicts positive. F1 false negative, model predicts negative for a truly positive case. TN true negative, model correctly predicts negative. So, according to the given matrix, TP is 6, F1 is 4, FP is 2, TN is 8. That is total of 20. First is accuracy. The formula to find accuracy is TP plus TN divided by total. Now, TP plus TN is 6 plus 8, that is 14, totally 20, that is accuracy is 0.7 or 70%. Second, precision. Formula to calculate precision is TP divided by TP plus FP. Now, the TP plus FP equals 6 plus 2, that is 8. TP is 6. Now, precision equals to 0.75 or 75%. Recall. To calculate recall, we need formula that is TP divided by TP plus Fn. TP plus Fn is 6 plus 4, that is 10. TP is 6. Recall equals to 6 by 10, that is 0.6 or 60%. Note sensitivity equals recall, they are same quantity. 4. Type 1 error. Type 1 error is Fp divided by Fp plus Tn. Fp plus Tn equals 2 plus 8, that is 10. Fp equals 2. Type 1 error is 0.2, that is 20%. For to calculate type 2 error, the formula is Fn divided by Fn plus Tp. Fn plus Tp equals 10, Fn equals 4. So type 2 error is 0.4 or 40%. To calculate F1 score, F1 equals to harmonic mean of precision and recall. F1 equals to 2 into precision recall divided by precision plus recall. We have precision equals 0.75 and recalls equals 0.6. Precision into recall equals 0.75 into zero point 0.6, that is 0.45. Precision plus recall is 0.75 plus zero point 0.6 equals 1.35. Now the numerator is 2 into 0.45, that is 0.92. So the final answer F1 score is 0.6, that is 66.67%. Seventh is specificity. Specificity equals Tn, that is Tn plus Fp. Tn plus Fp equals 8 plus 2, that is 10. Tn equals 8. Specificity is 8 by 10, that is 0.8, 80%. Now, importance of precision recall as compared to accuracy. Accuracy is the fraction of all correctly classified examples that can be misleading when classes are imbalanced. One class much more common than the other, or when the cost of two error types are very different. Example, disease screening. Precision measures how reliable positive predictions are, that is, of all items predicted positive, how many are actually positive. Recall measures how complete your model is. Of all actual positive, how many did we find? That is it for today. Thank you.